Welcome to RV Road Report. Today, we're bringing you something truly special, the 2025 Airstream Atlas Camper Motorhome. Known for its premium build, innovative design, and timeless Airstream style, the Atlas is more than just a motorhome. It's a home on wheels. And the model we're reviewing today is presented in a vibrant white finish, equipped with a rugged long body and 4x4 wheels, built for both luxury and adventure. Stick with us till the very end, because we'll explore every corner, inside and out, and finally reveal the price tag of this luxurious motorhome. Let's get started. Exterior, front view. Looking at the front view, the Atlas immediately makes a statement. Sleek lines, a powerful Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, and the bold Airstream logo shine proudly on the grille. The headlights are sharp and modern, giving it a premium road presence. Standing in the showroom, this front view alone tells you the Atlas is not just built for travel. It's built for style and confidence on the road. It's that first impression that combines rugged utility with elegance, making it perfect for long trips and short getaways. Topside view. Now let's move to the top side. From above, the Atlas reveals its thoughtful design. You'll notice the solar panels neatly integrated, allowing for sustainable power on the go. There's also a mounted antenna for better connectivity and a powerful air conditioning unit, keeping the interiors cool no matter the outside conditions. This top design shows how Airstream blends practicality with modern living, ensuring you're never short of power or comfort, no matter where your journey takes you. Backside view. On the backside, Airstream has kept both style and function in mind. Here, you can see the spare tires smartly mounted and a cycle carrier adjusted carefully for outdoor enthusiasts. This means you don't just carry your motorhome life with you. You also bring your bikes for trails, parks, and adventures beyond the road. Every detail on the back reflects convenience and readiness, giving you that peace of mind for long journeys. Side view. Moving to the side view, the design truly stands out. You'll see a retractable tent canopy extended, creating a perfect outdoor sitting space. Imagine parking at a scenic spot, pulling out a few chairs under that awning, and enjoying fresh air with family and friends. The sleek side profile also enhances the motorhome's aerodynamic look, while still maintaining that rugged, long body stance. It's both inviting and commanding on the road. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and you'll feel the blend of luxury and control. The cockpit is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, offering driver-friendly controls, plush seating, and high visibility. There are two LED displays, one dedicated to the infotainment system and the other for a rear-view camera, giving you confidence when maneuvering such a large vehicle. The steering, tech features, and premium finish make driving the Atlas a pleasure, not just a task. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driver's area is the sitting and sleeping space. The smart design allows the sofa to transform into a bed, giving you comfort whether you're lounging during the day or resting at night. The windows around provide natural light, and the finish feels more like a boutique hotel than a motorhome. This dual-function space ensures no compromise between relaxation and practicality, making it perfect for long trips. Kitchen. Next to the lounge, you'll find the compact yet efficient kitchen area. Airstream has managed to fit in all essentials: a countertop, sink, stovetop, refrigerator, and storage cabinets, without crowding the space. Its layout ensures easy cooking even while traveling, so you can enjoy fresh meals instead of relying on takeouts. The placement keeps it connected to the sitting and sleeping area, creating a seamless living experience. Washroom. Now let's take a look at the washroom, a small but cleverly designed space. You'll find a compact shower, toilet, and sink, all integrated in a way that maximizes functionality without eating up precious living space. Despite its size, the washroom feels modern and comfortable, giving you the essentials for daily convenience wherever you go. Airstream proves that even in limited space, you don't have to compromise on privacy or comfort. So, there you have it, a complete walk through the 2025 Airstream Atlas Motorhome. With its vibrant white finish, rugged 4x4 long body build, smart interiors, and luxury details, this camper is truly built for those who want the best of both travel and lifestyle. And yes, all this comes with a price tag of around $350,000. What do you think? Is it worth the investment for your road trips and adventures? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.